So Archie is really, start off as a matter-based AI assistant. Now, if I go back 12 to 18 months, I was a big skeptic, to be honest. I love technology, been out for a long time, and seen a few different shifts that have come through, whether it be cloud or other things. And I was like, is this thing going to be as big as everyone talks about? And so we were kind of internally talking about it. I was like, well, we need to have something, we need to be in the game, but who knows whether it's going to be big. And I said, let me run this team because I want to see how it goes. So I kind of got back into product shoots, which I haven't done for a long time, but I absolutely loved it. And I became obsessed. This time a year ago at Spark, actually, we announced that we're going to bring a product to market, and we had a reasonably slow rollout just because we wanted to keep learning. So we've basically enabled it for about a third of our client base across the world now. And it has been amazingly more successful than probably any feature that we've put out to a third of our client base in the last 15 years in terms of rapid uptake. So I think in terms of Archie, which, just allows people to get, quickly into the information that they're storing on the matter, get to that first kind of quick draft of an email or a letter, I think there's been high value. And then feedback, what we get from lawyers is they want more. But I think that, my view on this, and I talked to lots of law firms about it, is that they should start small. Don't go in there thinking that AI is going to solve and take away from that 4-hour job you were doing. And it might get there one day, and things are evolving, but you don't have to jump into the deep end to do that. Or also in terms of legal research, which is not what Archie does, because there's some risks. But what we know is that you guys, all of our clients and users, are sending something like 300 million emails a year across all our client base, and 180 million documents are being drafted. And we're like, if we can just help you get to that draft faster, of those lots and lots of documents, and we can shave off a minute on a 3-minute task, and that's going to save you hours and hours and hours.
I heard a really cool use case of this, of using VXT's font system and Archie as well. We were doing a video testimonial with Nest Legal, so Laura Vickers was talking about how she uses VXT to record and transcribe her calls, and then VXT will summarize that, automatically put it in Smokable, and then she can use Archie to search the whole transcript instead of reading it and say, did the solicitor talk about the fence? And then she gets the answer straight away.